Okay, so I got you set up with my new gimbal system. Got my little welder from Princess Auto. And we're just going to do some welding over here. Now we're welding with off-grid solar just to prove a point. Well, I shouldn't say prove a point, it's all I got. So you can hear in the background there is no generator running. She's off-grid solar, that's all we got. Gotta get comfortable here so I can actually weld. Hey, not a real professional welder, but make it so. Look at that. Got a little bit of dirt and some pipeline tar on here, but we're making it work. I'm welding with 70/18 and I'm welding with 1/8. So what I've got running over here is I have 10 gauge wire running out here on 120, 240, and it's probably close to 200 feet long running off this little welder. But because it's an inverter one, they kind of take care of the bad power and just make it work. And inverter welders are a lot easier too on your solar system, on your inverter. So there you go. One stick done. So what I'm using for power in the house, or sorry, first out here, I have 7.5 kilowatts of solar. I have close to 30 kilowatts of lithium battery. And in the house, I have two Schneider XW 6848. So really I'm sitting around 13 kilowatts of power. Now of course there's still things turned on in the house and stuff out here. So when my batteries are full, it automatically turns on the electric hot water heater, the electric hot tub, the fish tank, and on and on. And I want to add air conditioning also. But here today, we're doing some welding. So let's get to it. Well, we just burned a little hole there. We'll have to deal that up. So to deal with the hole, we'll just turn the power down. It's nice when it's right beside you. Of course, when you're welding, when you're on TV, you're always going to blow a hole in it, aren't you? And you're going to get stuck. Wasn't that great? Well, you know where more welding rod comes from. Good, eh? I'm showing you guys that I'm human, that I make mistakes too, like burning a hole and getting a welding rod stuck. Give all you real welders some kind of reason to talk about. It's like, hey, look at that guy, should have hired me. I'm 50 bucks an hour. I'm 90 bucks an hour. Hey? All my welder friends, they'll be laughing. Look at him go. There we go. Well, we just proved that you can weld with off-grid solar. So I just want to show you, I'm welding all of this together with my solar system. So I'm welding with off-grid solar. Just got to get comfortable here, or at least get close to it. Should have started with a new stick, except I'm too cheap. There we go. Got a little inverter welder from Princess Auto. They claim it's 170 amp. I do know it'll go right off the chart on 1/8, so that's a good thing. And I have roughly a little over 200 feet of 10 gauge wire running towards the house to give me power to run this welder. So there we go. I guess that's how far 5 inches of welding rod goes. Just drop that down there. All right. Well, as we, hello down there. What else down there, eh? All right. Well, we just showed you that we can weld with solar. We'll shut this off and continue on. This place, because solar makes me happy.